These are none of my edits, but I hope you enjoy.
You should just. You told me that you wasn't a freak, remember that? And now I don't believe you. Cause the way you got me feeling right now, every day, girl, I wanna see you.
Oh, sorry, Jorge. Did the force of my raging biceps hurt you?
They're identical. Look at them.
If I died, dead and gone, would you miss me? All I taste is blood in my tears when you kiss me. Riding in that sea, I lay my window.
You don't know what you do to me. Turn me on.
Baby, baby, I feel crazy up all night, and every day. I gave you something, but you gave me nothing. What is happening to me?
Love you, sweetheart.
We trapping them motherfucking B-roll. I was just praying to the window. Niggas in love with flip. Niggas in love with flip.
Fuck Peter. Oh, don't forget the most important part. Fuck Sam. Yeah, fuck her.
I'm the doll. The ding dong dong doll. I'm a doll.
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. So as I saw her ask her for a name, she smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see that a woman like that was real into me. She said she didn't have no man, paid to give the very best she had. She told me she was all alone. Said I don't you didn't have no one. She said doesn't get enough age. She gon' be there. She lied, you lied to me. But she was loving me, yeah.
A millionaire, I act like I don't care. That's cause I don't care. Still right there, used to live right there. Now I'm everywhere, got bitches everywhere.
I want to go.
And if you're killed,
Make sure you get it on camera.
fuck it up, ghosting, fuck it up, ghosting, that's what's up, ghosting. Hey boo boo, too much complexity to learn me from Google. My mama told me that the money outgrew you. My horoscope said I'm really on my noodle. I'm troubling, I'm puzzling, it's a duke. Baby, yes.
Hi! And she'll never need to cook because she's pretty and rich.
That's true.
No, you sweet dumb thing. He died in Woodsboro at the hands of your bitch sister.
Just a little bit colder. Take the weight off your shoulders. Think I need someone older.
She love me, which one? Lancy, yeah, she call me Lancy, I Lancy. Pouring up a red cup, I'm anti.
Oh, okay, alright, you got me. What?
I want to show you what I got.
Sure.
You got something to say? What you gonna do? Tell Miss Cat. 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 Tell Miss Cat.
You should just. You told me that you wasn't a freak, remember that? Now I don't believe you.
I just have one more question. I'm sorry, guys. Belly, which one of us is a better kisser, me or him?
Said I'm heartless. So much pussy be falling out the pocket.
Billy, she never saw my semen, I swear to God.
I want you. I could man, but I want you. And it's just nerves, it's just deep. Making me think about someone new.
That get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put her foot to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot for me to settle. You can't touch, they so fly, I should work it flight. Put on my jammies to dance the whole night away. I'm naughty by nature, like I'm hip-hop parade. My hands in the sky.
I'm flattered, really, but it's not my thing.
Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in this dancery. We got y'all open, now you're floating, so you got to dance for me. Don't need no hate.
Tell her to click off the live if she's watching. I promise you it will not end well.
No, I'm pretty sure she would click off the moment she sees your ugly eyes.
Girl, wobble it, and I'ma gobble it. I say you're moving your head, go ahead, bobble it. We can cradle it.
She said she wish it was two of me. Walking that bit with some racks. Fresh as a definite facts. Gelato, I stick you the pack. You know I'm picky with that. Even if my name was Natalie Nunny, bitches still couldn't check me. Check me. Check me. Check me.
Tornado is forming. Bye.
Check me. Check me. Check me. Check.
I am not human, I'm way too advanced. They kids. Come here, come get this. Na 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 na. Come here, come get this. Na 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 na.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.